Glycolysis is the process of splitting of one molecule of glucose, which consists of 6 carbon, into 2 molecules of pyruvate 3 carbon. The location of glycolysis is in the cytosol. There are 10 steps in the glycolysis, which consists of 2 phases. First, we go to energy investment phase. Step 1 is phosphorylation. Enzyme hexokinase transfer phosphate group from ATP, adenosine triphosphate, to glucose. Phosphorylation of glucose form glucose 6-phosphate. Step 2 is isomerization. Glucose 6-phosphate is rearranged to convert it to its isomer, which is fructose 6-phosphate. Step 3. Phosphorylation. Another ATP donate phosphate group to fructose 6-phosphate and form fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by enzyme phosphofructokinase. 2 ATP are being invested in the process without being produced. Phosphate group are now bound at carbon number 1 and carbon number 6, and the molecules are ready to be split. Step 4 is the process of lysis, where fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is then split into 2 molecules of 3 carbon sugars, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P and dihydroxyacetone phosphate DHAP. Step 5 is isomerization. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate DHAP enzymatically converted to its isomer glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P for further metabolism in glycolysis. The next enzyme in glycolysis will use only glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P as its substrate. Next, we go to energy payoff phase. Step 6 is oxidation and phosphorylation. Each glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P oxidizes by transferring of electron and hydrogen ion to NAD+, forming NADH plus H+. The product of this very exergonic reaction is phosphoglycerate, which reacts with inorganic phosphate that is present in cytosol to form 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Step 7 is substrate level phosphorylation. The conversion of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to 3-phosphoglycerate. One phosphate group from 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is transferred to ADP to become ATP. The production of ATP through substrate level phosphorylation. Step 8 is isomerization. Each 3-phosphoglycerate is rearranged, forming 2-phosphoglycerate. Step 9 is dehydration. The molecule of water is removed from each 2-phosphoglycerate that result in formation of double bond. Product of phosphoenol pyruvate PEP has phosphate group attached by unstable bond. So the last step is substrate level phosphorylation. Each phosphoenol pyruvate PEP molecule transfers its phosphate group to ADP to form ATP, pyruvate. Production of ATP through substrate level phosphorylation reaction. In glycolysis, the product that we get is 2-pyruvate, 2-ATP and 2-NADH plus 2H+.
Glucose 6P, next fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, glyceraldehyde 3P, 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, next 3-phosphoglycerate, then 2-phosphoglycerate, phosphoenol
susah sebelum senang, jatuh sebelum berjaya, sedar sebelum terus hanyut. Menyanyi biar dari hati, berjanji biar pasti, hingga ke ujung dunia ini pasti ada suka dan duka, kamu dan aku. Hingga ke ujung dunia ini pasti akan menangis ketawa bersama-sama. Hingga ke ujung dunia, aku dan kamu sesuatu, pantas waktu berlalu, terimalah seadanya, tiada apa yang sempurna. Menyanyi biar dari hati, berjanji ditepati, hingga ke ujung dunia ini pasti adanya suka dan duka, kamu dan aku.